Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be recreating this beautiful Diwali makeup look right here. So this outfit has nothing to do with this makeup look because I wanted to do something that goes with every Indian outfit. And one more thing, this is a very simple, easy, elegant kind of a dress and it's very heavy actually. This is the kind of embroidery and there's a lot going on in the bottom part, but I think I'll be putting a full-on picture in my Instagram or my community post so that you can see what the outfit actually looks like if you're interested. But this is all about the makeup and I haven't done a beautiful hairstyle or something. My hair is so oily at the moment because I oiled it yesterday. I shampooed it but the oil didn't come off. Which is so annoying. So I just thought that why just tighten a bun, and here we are looking like this. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the makeup look. It's a very full-on cut crease. I'm so proud and so happy with this makeup look because we haven't done something like this in our channel before and I'm really loving it. There's a lot of techniques going on. If you are new to cut crease and stuff, you can learn something from here today. So this is a very nude based makeup tutorial. Like everything is nude here except the lid shade. It's a rose gold, but it's very festive, very glittery and very Diwali type, which I love because when it comes to festive season we have to use some glitter, right? So I have used some glitter on the cut crease area and it looks so stunning, right? So if you want to know how to get this beautiful look right here, then please keep on watching. So I just prepped my skin using some Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer and also the lip balm. So there won't be any crazy fallout. So I'm going to do my base first and only after that I'll be doing my eyes. So for my primer, I'm using a setting spray because we are going for a very dewy look. So whenever I do dewy looks, I don't go for a heavy primer because it tends to be very sweaty at the end of the day. So this is what I prefer. So this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So for my foundation, I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wearing Illuminating Foundation. It's been a while since I've used it actually. So I'm gonna use this and I am in the shade, where's my shade? Okay, this is in the shade Warm Beige. So I'm gonna take 2 pumps of that. So I'm just applying it all over my face. It's a bit too orange for me. So I'm first of all taking my buffing brush because this is an illuminating foundation and it's always the best to work with a brush first. Also don't forget to drag your foundation down the neck. So it's always the best to blend out the foundation first using a buffing brush and then you can just blend it out evenly using a sponge. In that way you can save a lot of foundation because the illuminating foundations are so thin, so the beauty blender tends to absorb a lot of them. So what I'm going to do now is take a sponge and then kind of like press it all over the face. So as you can clearly see, it's blending it out beautifully. And now let's move on to the concealing part. Okay, I'm going to use my favorite concealer at the moment, which is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So I'm just going to apply it to the usual areas. I'm going to blend it out with the sponge. So moving on, let's set this all in place and I'm using this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And for the rest of the face, I'm using this banana shade from the Makeup Revolution London Pro HD Contour Palette. I'm taking these 2 shades to bronze up and contour my face. I'm gonna use a very light blush because I don't want to put too much blush on this look. And for my highlighter, I'm using this Maybelline palette. It's a Master Contour palette. It's a very beautiful highlight. Alright, I know my face looks so blank, so let's move on to the eyes now. So I've just zoomed you guys in a little bit so that I can see exactly what I'm doing. So using a random black shade, I'm going to first fill in my brows. I really love to do the brows this way these days. And if you use like a brow gel or something, it's gonna last a lot longer. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is called Buns. And I'm gonna take that shade and build up the crease. Like blend it out really well. Alright, I'm gonna take a little bit more deeper brown, which is this, which is very deep actually, and it's called Chip, and I'm gonna take that and apply it just underneath. And even if it goes messy inwards, that's okay, we are gonna cut the crease anyway, so So now I think we can cut the crease. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna try to cut the crease using some concealer. I'm also doing like a wingy stuff. And I'm gonna quickly set this in place with some loose powder. So now that the cut crease is done, we have to apply some shade there. I'm gonna use a rose gold kind of a shade, which goes with every Indian outfit. I'm also taking the shade Obsessed and applying that to the inner corners. Also has the brow bone highlight. And then there's a twist. But before that, let's finish off the under eyes. And I'm using this shade right here, which is a very, very light brown shade. And I'm just applying that. I'm also taking this deep brown shades mixed together to apply to the outer V. Then I'm taking the rose gold shade and applying that towards the inner corners. And here comes the twist. We're going to apply something where the cut crease and the crease shades meet. And this is the Swiss Beauty glitter eyeshadow. I really couldn't find any other glitter eyeshadow. So if you guys have any suggestions which is easily available in India, let me know. So I'm taking an eyeliner brush for this. And I'm taking that silvery champagne kind of a shade. And I'm applying that here. It really does make such a huge difference, you guys, to your whole cut crease look. When you look at my eyes itself, you can feel the Diwali, right? So this is so beautiful. You can really try this out. It's so beautiful. So all that is left is some eyeliner, mascara and some lashes. So I'll be doing that off camera because I'm also tired doing that on camera, and you guys would have already been tired seeing me do that over and over again. So I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be back. So yeah, I just finished my eye makeup. This is the finished look of the eyes. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of this. And one more thing, the lashes that I have used is the Ardell Demi Wispies. So I just applied some concealer on my lips, by the way, because I wanted my lips to look blank before I put any lipstick on, because usually it always tends to, I don't know, it always tends to look so pink. I just want to get a blank canvas and see if that works. So this is the lip liner from NYX in the shade Vintage. It's called Lip Suede. For lipstick, I'm going to use this New Buddy. This is the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. The number is 657. It's a very beautiful nude shade, so I'm going to apply that. It's so nude, but it's very beautiful. So if by any chance this lip shade is appearing pinkish on the video, pardon me guys, that's not my fault. It's all part of the editing, or I don't know what's going on. So you can check out the thumbnail, and I'll be putting some pictures in my stories or in my community tab, so you can check that out to find out what actually the shade looks like on camera or off camera. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm so happy and I'm really proud to create like a full-on flick cut crease. I've never done this before on this channel. So yeah, I am going to fix my face with some setting spray, and not fix, set my face. So I'm going to put on some jewelry and I'll be back. So yeah, that's it. So this is the final look, you guys, and if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also comment down below what you guys want to see next on our channel. So that's it. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah.